Yes, so Mr. Family will do. This is now your celebrant called HK, aka the Exposer, under the program of Waiting. You say, well, this is not the program where we talk about things that will affect the community, things that will improve the community, and things that will demoralize the community, where you know and me know. But where you don't want to talk about that, now that make me talk about that, then call me the Exposer. Well, today we won't come. Today we won't come with one among the most biggest topic of this whole program here. Today, we now wait for this topic here for quite a long time, and prayer don't answer. Today, this is one among the most destructive, dark topics inside our family lives. So today, we dey expose now under the program of Waiting. You say, well, what do you talk about today? Today, we dey talk about them mama them papa them brother and sister them mother love them, father love them, brother them, sister them. Who now don't suppress people in relationship? Who now don't build say anything we begin to do inside in relationship if we go seek advice from you? Anything what you picking one do na in relationship you the money to them. Now when today we talk about, you know waiting, people and they will go through this pain now. Millions of people they go through this pain in our relationship na the world this now. Una they suppress too much. Una picking the relationship. Them mother love them, them father love them. Some of even them brother and sisters them. Then they monitor them brother in the relationship. Then they monitor their sister in the relationship so much that some don't even take themselves like they mates inside in brother in the relationship or inside in sister in the relationship, and even some mama and some papa them. Anything when they begin to do na big problem. Today we expose you now. We're not to that here. More waiting the money by this program here, by this whole topic here. Now we not say from Salon man them and Salon woman them, where they support their family members them, where they support their brothers them, their sisters and their mama them, their papa them, for disrespect the woman them. All the man them listen to this. I don't talk about woman no more. I talk about both woman and man them. We not allow our family members them for disrespect to the man them. Or una woman them, molest them, put them down, disgrace them, and una support them. You know what you need? You need a relationship independent. I don't know if you're not 17, but if you're not 18, you need a relationship independent. Some of us don't go to the extent say, don't even want for end relationships them with una man them or with una woman them, because the simple reason say this man or this woman they get along with my family members them. Wait till now ask you. You don't find out first for know whether not this your brother or your sister, or not this your mama or your papa, none of the problem to your life or to your relationship. Why you they cast the blame only to your man or to your woman? You don't know whether now the biggest problem into your relationship. Some of you don't even end with a relationship them. I'm sorry for you, don't go help you. Some of you don't end with a relationship them because of you don't take too much to your family members. You don't pay the worst price for end with a relationship them. So you don't allow your family members, then they shift to una. Then they watch one like a gravel. Waiting they want them to do now in a relationship, now what they do. Waiting they want to una. Some of them they even friends, even in a sex life. Some family members they want control una. Some of una even when I see una family member, una they afraid for smile to una woman them, or afraid for smile to your man, because your family member they around, your mama day, or your papa day, or your brother or sister day. As soon as not see them, una don't withdraw. As soon as see them, una don't frighten, una don't make like una don't talk to bad man or bad woman, because for show to the family man and say this I go treat her for no good reason. Now today we dey expose una. Well, listen. Before we go further, ask you one thing. Do you tell me inside one book? Any religion we believe, just tell me inside one book. Start from the Quran. Tell me one verse what tell you say, when you picking up 18 years. Now you the papa, or you the mama, or the brother, or the sister. Now for dictate that relationship day. You know get it? Tell me from the Bible. Now whose verse? Tell me whose Genesis what tell you say, when you picking don't grow up, now if you control a household. Tell me no. You know get a no sign, so then why? And not to that, but why you know what are the blame? Now you are the blame. You now you are the blame. Now you want to invite your family members for come demoralize, disrespect, dismantle in a household them. You know, some of them visitors them. Some of them will not allow them, don't come down the houses them. Una know the controversy. Una get una house them today. Some of una know the weakness of una relationship them. How you don't weak. Some of una resume don't frozen. Una no get mind do nothing. Sex life don't done. Happiness don't done. Nothing not the way they exist already because then they inside it. And then they do nothing. Pass from money to una. You not get no verse where you go tell. Some of una they control una picking the relationship so much. Even someone they complain. What the woman cook too much? The woman put too much so much solo. He put too much maggi. He put how the woman in the worker when they complain. Someone when they complain, you man go in a job to do. You man do come. Who's the man they come? You man. Who's the man they wake up? Who's the man they go late at bed? When they complain about everything, we will not get the worst of it. So when they even complain, how the man or how the woman they brush in teeth. Hey, you are good. You know what? Why you they complain about everything? What thing you they complain for? If you know one day. That's what you want for being in a relationship. You want for be advisors in a good way. You want for be decision maker in una picking a relationship. Do ya? Did me the advice you listen to this? If no one listen, send them to them. Tell us say the exposer say they wanna back off. Use the word say mama, papa, brother, sister. Back off. Now they una too much into una picking a relationship. Some of them they jealous una brother and sister them. Like I say. And then I'm not meet them. Now completely you sabi him, you know sabi him. You want to talk to you that model or that for the law, that's the law, you sabi him, you know sabi him. Because you focus all on day by you picking in relationship, by your brother in relationship, by your sister in relationship. You don't completely forget what you did. Well, dear my brother, listen to me. We are not allow any people here dictate, tell you what you have to do. Take responsibility of your life. Get independent, relationship independent. Let it move on. Let it deal with your life. Not left anything in the relationship because of it. Now I tell you the 3 things I want to do in a relationship. 2 years before I end this year. Before I end this topic here, I will give you 3 solid advice we know forever do in your life and in a relationship. Listen, number 1. No ever make a decision. No ever make a decision for please a family member. Whosoever it be, you mama, you papa, you brother, you sister, you auntie, whosoever. Don't ever make a decision for please them. Number 1. Number 2. No ever make a decision. No ever make any final arrangement in a relationship because of the evidence we get from you, your family members. You know first if that family member they like you first. You know if that family member they need for destroy the relationship. No ever make a decision because of them. Finally, number 3. Finally, no ever end your relationship when you know already it. Because some of you don't into suppression so much that when they end in relationships because of they under suppression. Because your mama they suppress you, your papa they suppress you, your brother and sister they suppress you. You not get no suppression. Me brother, me sister get around the relationship. 2 years. We not listen to the people that we not get around ourselves. Not to anybody for take responsibility of relationship. We not say we not back off. We not be supporters. We not be decision makers. Some of them don't go into una picking relationship so much that their life they all don't become trauma. We not they notice how you picking the act lately. Well, do ya, mama, back off a little bit. Send this message to you. Even you man, tell her say, do ya listen to this? The exposer say, let the people that back off. We are too much into our picking relationship. Do ya? We are ready. This is not the truth. I tell you so. Do ya? Send this message here. Me, I'm not afraid. Because this message I tell you so, will I put my glasses? Let me not say, afraid. I'm afraid. Me not the exposer, aka the exposer, and not the truth. I tell you so. Listen. Do ya? Take you independent from today. You don't allow too much. Let today be your last day. You ready? Me, I respect myself. I respect you. And I respect everybody who listen to this message here. To ya. Let's be the last. Yeah? Peace. Yeah, watch more of my videos on my YouTube channel. The Exposer, TheExposer H Camera. Peace and God bless.